Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and earn badges in Deepstash. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Deepstash application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for Deepstash, find the application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started browsing all the books that are recommended to us. We can take a look at the posts and ideas by the other people we follow and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to earn badges. So basically guys, you can earn badges by completing achievements. Here in the bottom right corner, you can click on your profile icon. It's going to open up your profile where you can go and take a look at your achievements and your stats. And as you can see, currently I have 1 out of 36 unlocked. If you click on them, it's going to show you all the achievements you can get, such as Sherlock Sidekick, Avatar Alchemist, and so on. So this is all going to enable you to get your badges. Once you complete an achievement, as you can see, it's going to show up like this, and this is how our badge is going to look like, from where you can get started sharing it with other friends or whoever you want. So basically, just be active, go to your homepage, and every day you want to read an article and so on. That's going to enable you to take a look at the achievements you can earn, and you're going to earn them by keeping your reading streaks and so on. So take a look at which ones can be earned and then get started with chasing them and earning them, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.